So, wel- welcome everybody to my YouTube channel. Today, my friends betrayed me. I'm gonna take my revenge. First, let's find far, far away. Let's go far, far away. I got my sword. Got some sword to protect myself. I stole it from them. I stole it from them, so like, I know the mining area is. A beauty queen, my love. Discipline. Raw. Let's go to the mining place to get my revenge. To get my revenge, I need diamond armor and let me check how much time. Okay, so to take my revenge, I need netherite armor and some enchantments and a lot more. Could stall here. So I have my friend Gert, he's a spy. He's a spy on this server, pretending to be their member. Just comment down below if I should join Flamingo, SMP, and Troll. So let's go to the mining area to get woods. I mean, woods or I don't know. Mr. For the deep voice. I have. Wait, forget again. I have. Let me tell you. My throat hurts so bad, so I have to use deep voice. Sorry about that for that deep voice if I scare you. They don't know what they are coming. They don't know what they did. They don't know what they do. them all to be gone. I want them all to taste my revenge. I want them all to take everything they said to me. I want them all to swallow their words they did to me. I don't remember this point, so I'm gonna check my brightness. So this is the mine I made, I think. Yep, the mine I think. So I only have that. So mine. What was the cockroach in my room? I know this place. Yep, that's what I think. So what they got here? With some other things. And this. Let's go over here. Oh, name tag. Your recipe, the name tag. So here and here. Here you go. We unlock every recipe. I think that's all. Yep, that's all. I want them all to taste my revenge. I want them all to be gone. I want them all. I want them all to swallow the monster they made, the monster they created, the monster they wanted. Swallow their own pride. Swallow them everything. I don't care. I think they're planning. So they're talking about me. They're talking about me. So my name is Zane. That's all. Damas. So we reach the iron. Oh, I thought I forgot to do that. So let me check if there is more iron. So I can get it. Take my take my revenge on them. What do you mean? How much it's spent? How much I did everything. I thought someone left. So let me end